Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching. As you can see, I'm a little more dressed up than usual. I taught this morning, I taught at noon, then I just came back from teaching, and now I'm off to teach a late night sexy adult high heels dance class. So we get a little dressed up, or dressed down I should say. But I threw some makeup on and some lipstick. I usually hate lipstick, but I tough it out for this class because it's fun. Got my fishnets on with socks because it's cold out, so till I get there. Anyway, it was nice and sunny today, change from winter storm weather. It's still cold. It's just the beginning of February as I film this, so we're getting there. I love the winter, but it was exciting to see it's starting to get lighter out earlier. It's getting lighter earlier. Anyway, I don't know. Okay, it's been snowing all day. I shoveled off the back deck. No, I didn't. I shoveled in front of the window so the snow wouldn't smash in through the windows. Not that that would happen, but that's all I did. Anyway, I made cookies. And they turned out really well. Chocolate chip oatmeal. I'll link the recipe below. Just note that I used Crisco vegetable shortening instead of butter because I'm almost out of butter and we're kind of snowed in. So I don't even know if I'm working tomorrow, but that's where we're at. Eating cookies, hanging out with the bunny, and yep, cozy. Also, no makeup today because not working and need to wash my hair, but that's storm day fashion for you. I hope you enjoy. Hello, welcome to the vlog. Well, not really. There's a fitness video. Feel free to fast forward to it. Just thought I'd say hi. It's another snow day. I am not teaching today, in fact. I had one class that I was supposed to go in and teach, and that's not happening. White out there. It's very white, but I got my little setup here, film. Woo! I got my mat. Have my mat, proper grammar. I have my mat here. I sometimes film in the living room. Just, I don't know, to give the bunny some company because he tends to hang out in the living room. He forgets the other rooms exist in the house sometimes, which is fine with me. It makes things easier that way, but he's welcome to go mostly where he wants anyway. His little crate, which I'm getting rid of soon and actually giving him a swankier little hutch to live in. Not him live in, but his poop to live in. Anyway, I have laundry going. I'm trying to make this day productive. You can't even see outside. It's very snowy. Hoping the power doesn't go out, but I have laundry on, almost done, all the laundry. Productive today. I got up early. That's unusual for me when I'm not getting paid. So it's good. I cleaned the kitchen. I did stuff. I'm hoping to be productive, but also relax, give my body some relaxation, but trying to film some online classes for the places I teach for so that I can then have more time to film for you after that. So here's hoping, and I'm trying to get the momentum to actually do this right now, but I will somehow. Anyway, enjoy this fitness class in 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're using weights. I am using 5-pound weights, but please use what you're comfortable with. Take breaks when you need to, and let's get started. Standing with your legs comfortably apart, think about your posture, relax the shoulders. Facing your palms towards each other, hammer curls. We're going to bend one elbow and bend the other, alternating. Take your time and breathe. Trying to wake up those core muscles so you can keep your posture and support yourself while you're moving those arms. Last 2, and 1. Lifting and lowering the shoulders, just let the arms hang. One more time. Bicep curls, starting with your palms facing each other, and then as you bend your elbows, they face in towards your upper arm. One more time. Back to those shoulders, going up and down, let the arms hang. Last one. And you can take your legs a little wider apart here if you like. We're going to take the arms out to the sides and down. Try to keep the shoulders down. Last 2. Last 1. Lift and lower the shoulders again. For 3, 2, and 1. Good, we're going to put the weights down, bend your knees, put them down on the floor carefully, watch your back. Coming back up, hands on your hips, and just do a very gentle twist from the rib cage up. Try to leave your knees alone. And then interlace your fingers, rounding your back, press the palms forward, and then reach them up. A little side bend to each side, just giving those fingers a stretch after grabbing the weights. Release down, bend down to grab your weights, coming back up. We're going to repeat that whole sequence. Hammer curls, bending one elbow and then the other. Remember to watch your posture, keep your pelvis vertical, ribs stacked over the hips. Last 4, and 3, 2, and 1. Elevate those shoulders up and down. One more time. Bicep curls, palms facing in, and then palms face the front of your shoulders as you bend. Rotate from the wrist. Two more. Nice, bring the arms down, shoulders up and down. One more. Arms out to the sides and down. You can have a micro bend in the elbows while you do this. If that feels better, just keep those shoulders relaxed. Almost done. Last 2, and 1. Good job. Put the weights down again carefully, watch your back. Rolling up. Bend the knees, hands on your legs, bring one shoulder to the center, twisting. Switch sides. Rolling up. Walk those feet in, interlace your fingers behind, squeeze the shoulder blades together, again stretching the fingers, stretching your back after all that heavy lifting, and release. Picking up the weights again, coming into a small lunge, 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, square the hips, face the palms towards each other, bend your knees, hold it as you do 1 curl of the arms, and then come up. Bend, hold and curl, lower and come up. Keep going. This time stay down, keep curling the arms, in and down. Last 3, stay tall, 2, and 1, come on up. Before we switch sides, we'll do something different. Come to the center, legs wide apart, bend the knees, and with a long spine, hinge forward as far as you comfortably can, keeping that spine supported. Arms in front, bend the elbows out to the sides, and then let them hang down. Like a rowing action. Last 2, last 1, rolling up, and then we'll switch our lunge to the other side. Other foot's in front this time. Hang the arms. This time we'll face the palms forward to bicep curl. Bend the knees, curl, come up. Bend, hold and curl, lower and come up. Keep going, keep breathing. This time stay in your lunge, bend the knees, keep curling. Last 3, 2, and 1. Coming up. Back to the center for something different. Standing with your legs comfortably apart, nice and tall, take one arm straight out in front and then switch, alternating. Avoid rounding your upper back, but also watch that you're not pushing your hips forward and causing extension in your low back. Just stay really tall, stack everything up. Last 2, last 1, and then put the weights back down. Nice job, guys. We're just going to do a quick little cool down. Hands back on your hips, back to those gentle twists, side to side. Just twisting from the ribs up mainly. Keep your knees out of the twist. Big breath in, reach up, grabbing one wrist and pulling it over to the side. And then switch, grab the other wrist, pull it over gently. And then reaching the arms out to the side, press through the palms, legs wide apart, shifting the ribs side to side. Giving those fingers and hands another stretch after holding those weights. One hand on hip, big side stretch. And over to the other side. Coming up, walk those feet in. Nice job, guys. Feeling powerful? I will see you again.